Ah, no, it's hot. Guys, again. Never. It's hot. What man, it's hot. Hot. So, when I'm driving around Limpopo, especially Rhangani, Malamlele, Chikundu, Minga, Giani. Let's not struggle with this, guys. People love Nkanelo Gingirik, but what do I run? Nkanelo Gingirik, and I can say, when I look evacuate in the late evacuatona meet a gumta quinut. No, I can't say, I take it answer. People really love the channel. And then someone was just reminding me, he started watching me 4 years ago. 4 years ago, guys. It's been 4 years on Nkanelo Gingirik. That's scary. It's scary that we are 4 years and we're still going. And then he was one of his friends, not him actually. I think his name is Akani. Yeah, he told me that the first time he saw Xitsonga content, exclusive Xitsonga content that is looking at entertainment, Xitsonga entertainment, was Mandla Gingirik on Nkanelo Gingirik, and he was so inspired. And then we should not forget that. That's what he said. Don't forget that you are the when I'm a bulandela, even though one acknowledge when I'm a bulandela. But I love the album. The album meaning talking around if given an impact this year. Minanta tamneka 5 for to na album ta 5. We then sawla yung lane talking ari wine lembe. That album meeting a mata Xitsonga. Before kuna more than the only one. It's windy this place. It's windy again, Maracay, which is funny. So people are saying they've been following me. I want to say the story. There's a man, some gentleman. Anga tang vid ngono yena vitora Nkanelo ko yoka abona Nkanelo Gingirik. So Nkanelo Gingirik is big, guys. Vota kwa ngasulu vota sulela tkhonini vota sulela tkhonini ku ri no Nkanelo Gingirik yona mabulandlela ka content ya Xitsonga. Yeah, Xitsonga content man, it's man like Gingirik on Nkanelo Gingirik. We must not forget that, because we know they are not gonna say it. Vota suvulavula loko se ifini na van'wana loko hanya venge suvulavula ku ri I know she said she nga bulandlela venge vula. Anyway, mara top 5 albums let me talk. I'm not single so guys, we like the album. I'm not release that single. I'm not talking about single but Papa Rolanda man. No labanga umesa the album this year. Eba man laba I'm talking about impact cool. Guys, Xitsonga music. Who has had an impact? According to me, you can actually go down there and list all of them. Mangati tsala 35 and then mi vula kumara hi ku vona ka n'wina hi yihi leyi nga fika yi teka nambara album. Guys, ka tika. And then maybe I may need to do another video ni vulavula hi swilo a ni lava ku vulavula a ni ta swi hoxa la because ni twi nga ri swi lava video ya swona swi ri one swilo leswiya ni nge swi vuli mara I'll just pass by it and then ni endla video ya swona. Top 5 albums ta Xitsonga leti nga twa nga ri certificate bar tshuri n'wana madala ku kumpoti vitshuri mpoti la xigazeni i mani a nga fika bar tshuri swinene ku kumpoti hi album ka Xitsonga hi album. I'm vulavula ti single vulavula hi album lava single ta vona mara ti album leti ti nga fika ti hisa lembe leriwani i mani 5 of them hi kombela mini ka tono. And the pity ku tin'wana album ati maybe you can even name top 6 or top 7 according to you. Mara men tafkan maybe nga nika top 5. Mara stai Luisa leswi. Yeah, top 5. Hiku ya mina top 5. Na ngutsala ta n'wina hansi mi byela ku hi tini leti mi vonaka nga ri ti album leti nga ti va na impact hi tini ka tinkambi ta Xitsonga. I mina ngafukanda hoyi kulukumba swinene ivi mi swi tsakela swinene laha handle xikazini imani hi byeleni tell us mi byeleni tona tanani na tona vana va mani. Guys, again kuna mapapa ne like that. It's cloudy mara ka hisa, that's why I'm topless. You know me and run mpahla ne. Ka hisa guys, it's hot. It's really hot. Top 5 albums. Number 1. Top 5 albums number 1. Okay, I mean, okay, maybe monti tla kunene. Ninga vulavuli ku number 1 in no particular order. Album leyi nga twa yi na impact kulukumba swinene i album ya Mansandle Chabalala. Album ya Mansandle Chabalala ni yebuleni. Deep in Sandlane like album leyi guys. Kuna tsim total tsakisa la. Album leyi tsim total ngopfu tsakisa swinene. Sandlane Chabalala nto nga ri tive na impact kulukumba ngopfu. Nyebuleni. Vutomi byo pfumala valala byi tsokotsi. You know. Na Magaula ifike yi rhandza swinene la. Hambi before man ka Magaula ni Mansandle. Mina ni rhandza ngo Magaula kahle ka album liya na Niyebuleni. Tintsakisa ngoti letiya. I feel like she deserves to be in my top 5. Mansandle Chabalala. Niyebuleni. Yeah. Then the second person I feel like he has an impact, huge impact. It's all Makam G1. Pitbull album ya G1 loko ni nta review na sound yako nefike yinipoyila swinene and then vula leswi swin'wana man and I couldn't record that thing again. You know me, I do one takes. I can't say what I said in a video. Once I said something because it's a thought that is coming down at that moment. And it's good to record the notes. Unsolved notes ans. Notes. I don't have notations or notes. I'm just speaking from the top of my head. So G1 Soul Makam, I feel like he has a good album, great album. There's something about G1 that I want to talk about in the next video, and maybe I'll actually include him and Mayengani. I mean, Mr. Post. Yeah, I can even include other ones, but I feel like those ones. So those are 2 albums. The thing of album yotala message swinene, album yotala politiki swinene, album ya Soul Makam yotala message politiki, yitele kuchinga, ishekwe beefy, album yin'wani ya powerful ngopfu ya G1 Soul Makam. And then number 3 ni vona album ya Rhangani. Album yin'wana powerful album leyi nga fika yi hitisela hit song lera ra munhu wa munhu. So it's a top album there. Rhangani. Shongi music. Yeah. We had I know me and Rhangani had something, but you know, we have to be fair. Rhangani deserves to be in my top 5 in terms of best albums that this year. That hit song pushed the album. Saizani, one of my favorite songs. Even the remix Saizani, some of my favorite songs. Moon obviously. You know, titele tsimta kahle album liya. And then Moon lento angare deserve to be in the album is in my top 5. Mr. Post, he watch him cover. I feel like and they was treating him cover lane. So could chat 6-pack la one. Chat 6-pack. I would treat him cover straight. Mr. Post deserves to be in my top 5. Who else can be in my top 5? Albums, best albums this year. Which album made a huge impact kastonga this year. Good album yin'wana man. Actually kuna album timbirhi. You know, album Man Flow. I think va cheri kama bebano or something. Afamba na Man Flow na Manri. It's not Manri. It was Man Flow. I mean man. I forgot. Norvele man lava. Man Flow na mani album ta bona ti powerful ngopfu the album it. I think cheri kama beban. It was a different kind of sounds. I just didn't have time ku ani nivulaule yona album ya Man Flow na mani. It's a collaboration kahle ba endle collaboration album Man Flow Shinyori you know, for clarity na mani. I forgot Manri. It's not Manri, but I think mani man va rivele mara va kona xigazini va big collaboration ngwana kahle ngopfu. It's beautiful, that album. It falls under my top albums. I feel like I can extend it to maybe top 6 or top 7. Ningosha album ya album leya mani Man Flora Ngwachauke lenga ndloka Tim Shirimani. One of the top albums actually. Letting and do what this say Kashkaza in terms of quality, in terms of the songs, even the collabs that were there. DJ Mfundisi was there, Joe Shirimani. I feel like that album deserves to be in the top 6 or top 7. You could actually even do a top 10 if you want, you know. But Mina, I just wanted to mention those albums. They didn't talk about it. Even though some of them we didn't have time to buy, blah blah blah. Like Nkanelo, Mara. We just have to be fair. Look, now the quality at all, no pushing serially was one of the. So, just a recap. It's a Man Flow. Shinyore wafambana man never man lava man. I Manri Mari man something. Vandle kama beban album yakon. Inenda ngo yitlangwa differently from what we are used to. Man Flow was like music wabon. And then Ivana Rhangani, Sandline, Chavalala. That's number 3. Even then Ivana Man Flow Rangwachauke. So it's like 4 women. 4 women. Great. Yo, 4 women. And then it's Ivana Mr. Post. Watch them cover. Number 6 it's Ivana Jiwan Sulmakam. Who else? Rhangani. Oh, come in, Mklai. Which other album? Linton will give an impact. Impact. The impactful album. Logo inside creativity, songwriting, everything. Guys, tell me. Nirvale man. Yeah, I think it's not album. It's not talking about it. At the end with at the Banawati Miserly one that album. Yeah. Those are my top albums. Nangunamata Tangunela answer. As we look at meaning as it's a given. Then one in a choice guys. One on top 5 Tell it album thing what Dr. Stolle, you know what missing. CIC Machiavelli, you know. What comrade Mfundisi was missing, I'm not sure. But tell about long that album, guys. But Prince Rhangani was missing. You can actually name your own. Mina, I just named mine. That is my top 6 or top 7. I can't remember. But I don't know the album to impact. Mina mitu angariti tangu ngale impact. And I shall let him go album. Yona inga afkai yiningini sa Gaza. Ikwa ku yuko ritsuri mpati. Album yakona loko nangutini ntangari album leya ene lanta lona vanhu swinene. No, post the beginning, guys. I didn't post. Minika post lembe nika post lembe I think ya tsama ka ngove this kumbe hi ta fingenene le Centurion Studios. No, Mr. Post, hi, nikuhlulela xidloko lembe lero a ntunga ra wena. Even though for me it was tight between 3 albums. It was tight between 3 albums. Album ya Rhangani na album ya G1 Soli Makam. 3. So logo no ya top 3. Ningafika nuku Mr. Post even nuku katika guys. Kuna G1 kuna Rhangani. Yo. I mean, I give it to Mr. Post. Jelela as ngumile me recover. I shall learn blah guys. Fan pela ish. Enough before I slave. The beef it abla it on. Beef lovely yona column already. Urima nangateka beef. We've already covered that part. Ben Mayengani take a beef. I beef ish fambena yona ben. To me na yona lembele. Guys again guys. Guys, in case look at me, I'm thinking Nkanelo Gingirik. I shall let you go. My little one talking about teeny. Little more going to turn a thing. I mean, the album, think of Katavana, Tim Saki, Sala, Andle. And I want it vaccinating at Ula. But I'm missing on Butala, guys. Now, my farm, but doctor, Cabele, you know. But Missy, Hotel on Butal. Saulani to Mum talking about it on a thing of Katempela, and about. Pero no monde roja. But tell man ngo mesa guys. I tlhaoleng ta permit ni tinga itsakisa la. I tlhaoleng. Me le tana nga tola le dirit meeting tsakisa. So those are mine. Which ones are yours? I tlhaoleni, I bulabuleni la. Guys, nikesoka mina utreka Nkanelo Gingirik kuri mina le gere. Nikadu ekas doors kitsele grinyora. I'm thirsty. Ni totora. Salut. Matitimeli.